Within Montage's reporting, we give you a lot of flexibility. We have seen how we can add equations which form columns in text report or additional pies when it comes to pie charts. By selecting our nodes would enable us to identify where within our hierarchy are we interested in including in our reports. Our periods are our start and end dates for the reports. How do you want the information displayed? Pie charts, line graphs, text reports. How are you going to group your data? In this case, we're grouping it with 2 columns, but again, you could select to have this cost and consumption as separate tables. Your frequency will determine whether you want to see your data half-hourly, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom frequency that you may have configured. What utilities do you want to see in the report? Are you interested in all utilities, as we have in this case, or perhaps you're only interested in 1 or 2? Montage's forecasting capability will enable it to display for you the forecasted values, whether they be cost or consumption or budget going forward for a future period. And finally, should you wish to export some data or reports out of Montage into a third-party application, such as Excel, how would you expect to see that data in the destination files? These are just some examples of the flexibility in the reports. You will also notice at the head of any module that we give you the options to change the title of the report, to save it, delete it, rearrange the order in your home page. When you open the report, do you always want it to show expanded as we see it now, or would you like to see it collapsed, such as this? We also have some additional features, exporting to PDF, or also making use of Montage's messages facility. If you want to export the data into Excel, the data that you will see in its current format will be exported into columns and rows as you see it, so you can use it for other purposes. And finally, if you wish to share this module or further configure it without amending what you have, you can then copy this module into any other of the home pages that you may have created.